okay in this motherfucker, and it's gonna be okay in this motherfucker. This your first time to the channel? I'm gonna need you to hit that like button, my ninja. My ninja. Hit that like button. But anyway, let's get into the video. Is using Fiverr good for your music career? Let's just go through my experiences. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so here we have a couple of things. Oh, soccer wall. Let's click through. Alright. Now, this is where I initially got, you know what I'm saying, the BLK Shaggy, you know, the symbol done. You know, I spent about, let's see how much. Now, this is where I initially got, you know what I'm saying, the BLK Shaggy, you know, the symbol done. You know, I spent about, let's see how much. $50, you know what I'm saying? And he gave me, you know, the BLK Shaggy symbol. I'm gonna put that in the video. I ended up spending overall, like, bro, I spent, you know, I spent $200 on this dude's SQ social media, and then Music Pro. After I got my channel monetized, I went to another person, you know what I'm saying, and he promoted my stuff, but only got like 1,000 views for $25, and then like he got mad and was like, if you expect bot view service, it's like, bro, you know, it's $25 for 1,000 views. For 800 to 1,200 views, bro, YouTube pay you $3 for that. So you losing out on $22 automatically. So it's just like, bro, I'm wasting a lot of money. Then on top of that, I was like, you know, let me just go to a new promoter. Maybe dude is just garbage. So I went to this dude, and he started sending me, can you give me a 5-star? And, you know, because he got me 1,000 followers. 1,000 followers that were bots, you know what I'm saying? They didn't click the link. Nobody, you know what I'm saying, went to support. Look, I mean, he showed look at this. Hi friend, check it out. Run my money. At that point, I had 1,000 subscribers, you know, and then, but if you just look at the like to dislike ratio, I had 110 likes, 5,000 views. For 110 likes, bro, he's not marketing my stuff to the right people, you know what I'm saying? And that's when the niche comes back in. And then he started saying, after you spend money with him, they want to keep on doing services for you. So he started coming lower on the prices. He like 10,000 views for $80, and it's like, bro, 10,000 views for $80. YouTube is only paying. Yeah, so I was on the verge of like basically fucking giving up my fucking career, you know, because no one was supporting me. And all of a sudden I find these dudes on Fiverr talking about, yeah, let's grow, we can grow your channel, and I actually paid the dude. Well, actually, I didn't pay that dude. This dude was bullshitting. He went up on his fucking price, talking about $200 to promote, and whatever. He went up on his price, bro. Alright, so let's go to him. I was about to spend, I actually let this dude become a manager on my channel for him to actually, look at this dude. He told me, look at this, is this still available? Yes, send me the link. He said he was gonna get back to me. He said, can I do some real talk videos, and, you know, just, you know, just plenty shit, you know. He asked me if I could do behind the scenes studio. I was cool with that, you know what I'm saying? And then I was showing him how much money I was spending and getting ripped off and shit. Last thing I gotta say, I reached out to all my subscribers, and I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all for staying on this channel, you know what I'm saying, supporting your boy, you know what I'm saying, you know, good music coming on the way. Just, y'all, don't forget that. But you know what I'm saying, like, don't waste your money, man. Don't learn from my mistakes. Do not waste your money on Fiverr for promotion. They garbage.